the question came up, the IPC was asking or floating the idea that maybe we should make this like all of our other IPC certifications in other parts of the industry, that people can show that they're proficient at soldering or driving a particular kind of assembly process. That doesn't really apply at all to design engineers. It applies to other industry employees, and they have certifications, but they have to recertify every year or 2 years. So they have to do another test and update their certification. And that's okay if your employer is, and usually those things are employment driven, so your employer is paying for all their staff to go through this process, and they need to do that. It's in their interest to do that because it's a marketable thing that your staff are certified, right?
You bet.
But for CID, for designers, it caused an uproar, because it's like the knowledge of how to document a design to send it to fab, or how to generate reproducible, and how to specify things, and how to make a data packet to send. It does change over time, but not enough to cause recertification to be warranted.